In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Instagram posts using Hootsuite. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Scheduling posts can take a lot of stress out of managing your social media content, giving you more time to connect with your audience and focus on other important tasks. Alright, let's dive in. First, you need to make sure you have Hootsuite open in your browser. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. Hootsuite is a fantastic social media management tool that allows you to manage all your social accounts from one dashboard, which is super convenient. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Hootsuite dashboard. Once you're there, take a look to the right side of your screen. You will see an option that says, Create a Post. Click on that. This is where the magic begins. A new window will pop up, giving you the ability to create a post for the various social media accounts you have connected to Hootsuite. For this tutorial, we're focusing on Instagram, so you'll want to select your Instagram account from the list. Now, it's time to upload your files. Click on the Upload button, which will allow you to choose images or videos that you want to share on your Instagram feed. This is a crucial step because high-quality visuals are key to capturing attention on Instagram. So make sure you're uploading images that are not only visually appealing, but also relevant to your audience and brand. After you've uploaded your images, you'll have the option to write a caption. This is your chance to connect with your audience, so feel free to be creative. You can add hashtags, tag other accounts, and even use emojis to bring your post to life. Remember that a good caption can dramatically increase engagement, so think about your audience and what would resonate with them. Once you're satisfied with your post and caption, it's time to schedule it. You'll see an option that allows you to set the date and time for when you want your post to go live. This is particularly useful because it lets you plan your content in advance. Choose the date and time that aligns best with when your audience is most active. Research shows that posting at optimal times can significantly enhance your engagement rates. After scheduling your post, do a final check to ensure that everything looks good: the image, the caption, the tags. Once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and hit that schedule button, and just like that, your post is ready to go out at the specified time. It's a simple yet powerful feature that takes your social media strategy to the next level. If you ever want to make changes to the post after scheduling it, Hootsuite makes that quite easy too. You can simply navigate to the Scheduled Posts section, find your post, and make any necessary adjustments. This way, if you've got something new to add or change, you have that flexibility. One last thing to keep in mind is that while Hootsuite allows for scheduling posts, there may be restrictions regarding posting on Instagram directly due to platform policies, so always check for any updates or changes that may affect your content strategy. And there you have it. You've just learned how to schedule Instagram posts using Hootsuite. It's a straightforward process, but it can save you a lot of time and make managing your Instagram account much easier. If this tutorial helped you manage your social media better, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for joining me today, and happy posting!